Here is one of the hardest Edexcel trigonometry questions. Do you know how to tackle it? So we've got 3 circles, each of a radius 4 centimeters. The centers A, B and C create a straight line basically. Obviously AB is 4 and BC is also 4, that's the radius. Work out the total area of the 2 shaded regions, give your answer in terms of pi. So obviously we're going to be using the area of a sector in this case, but also trigonometry does find its way into this. So the shaded regions are kind of odd. We are going to not literally find out a formula for the shaded regions, but work out the whole circle, B in the middle, and subtract these 2 parts which are equal to each other. If I add some lines here, we end up with a circle sector and then 2 segments. In order to find the area, we would need this angle here. So if I add more lines, these are not only 2 triangles, they are actually equilateral triangles, just because each of the sides is effectively a radius, so they're all 4. Given that it's an equilateral triangle, that tells me that the angle is 60 degrees. And because these are both identical triangles, the angle here would be 120. So coming back to our circle sector, this angle here is 120, isn't it? So let's use the formula for the area of a sector. This would simplify to 16 over 3 pi centimeters squared. Now we want to know these 2 segments here. So if we come back to having triangles, this segment here is the same as this segment here, which is the same as this segment here, which if we were to draw a line here would also be the same as this one, wouldn't it? They're all the same. So what I can do is work out the area of this triangle and subtract the 2 of them from the total area of that sector, which will give me just these 2 segments, which is the same as we said on the other side. So the area of this triangle, different ways to do it, I would probably use the trigonometric formula, which would simplify to 4 root 3. That is only 1 triangle, so therefore 2 triangles would be 8 root 3. So now I'm going to take them away. Obviously, I can't simplify it more than that. So that is the area of the 2 segments here and here. And we have the area of this bigger sector, which is the 16 over 3 pi. So if I add those 2 together, that will give me the area of effectively all of this. And that would simplify to, now there's technically 2 of those yellow bits, aren't there? And they're exactly the same, so let's double it. All I want to do now is subtract this from the area of the whole centre circle. So the circle is just pi r squared, which is 16 pi, and then subtract all of this. Now let's just see if we can try and simplify this a bit more. So we get 16 root 3 minus 16 over 3 pi. We can't simplify it any further than that, and it's in terms of pi. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel, where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.